Okay, ito guys, 10 piraso po. Isasampling po natin, no? Timbangin natin. Yan. Okay, tingnan natin guys ha. Ito yung timbang niya guys. So 3160 guys. Second sampling po namin. Dati po first sampling po namin is 2.785 po. So medyo increase yung timbang niya guys. Okay. Yan. So yan guys, 10 piraso po. Okay. So hanggang dyan lang muna guys ha. Thank you and God bless.